Hello everyone. My name is Joelle and welcome to day 3 of our 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge, where today we're focused mostly on our neck. As we close the eyes and start breathing deeply in and out through the nose, notice how your neck and your body are feeling today. And let's make our way to standing for dangling pose. Interlacing the hands behind the neck. You can keep a soft bend in the knees if you'd like. And letting the hands weigh the head down to stretch through the neck. And you might even give yourself a little bit of a neck massage while you're here. Or you can rock the head from side to side, just using the opportunity to notice how it's feeling, how it's doing today. And again, if you haven't already, I do recommend warming up before every practice this month with our day 1 warm-up video. Wonderful, and let's release the fingertips back to the ground, find our way back to seated, cross-legged, or any way that you would like as we roll the shoulders back. And let's gently tilt the head over to the right ear towards right shoulder as we crawl the left fingertips further away and bring the right hand to the top of the head just to encourage a little bit more distance between the left ear and the left shoulder. And really think here about sending the breath anywhere that you feel the stretch, fueling that sensation. We can help the head back to center now. And let's try the other side. So left ear towards left shoulder with a little assist from the weight of the left hand as the right fingertips crawl further away from the body. Noticing if there's any difference here in sensation from one side to the other. Perhaps one side is a little bit easier or a little bit tighter than the other. And again, let's make our way back to center. And you could keep the legs as they are for a hip stretch. You can find shoelace pose, stacking left knee on top of right. No matter where you are, bring the left arm across the body. And we'll start turning the head from left to right here. So we're bracing that left arm, keeping both shoulders down and back behind us. And simply looking from one side to the other. Just exploring this movement. And bring the head back to center, shake that off. Switch the cross of the legs. Or bring the right knee on top of the left for that shoelace pose. As the right arm crosses in front of the body now, anchoring it with the left. And again, the gaze can simply go from right to left. Just checking in, again, perhaps this side feels a little bit different. And if so, isn't that an interesting thing to find out about yourself? Let's take one more here from side to side. And back to center, release, releasing the legs. Making our way down onto the back, stretching the legs out long. And we'll pull the right knee in towards the chest for a half wind pose. And again, simply rocking the head from one ear to the other, side to side. Maybe closing the eyes here. Coming back to those nice deep breaths. And the head comes back to center, releasing that knee. Pulling the left knee in towards the chest now, holding on with both hands. And this time, keeping the shoulder blades on the mat, let's just lift the head up just 1 inch and then back down. So keep that movement going, almost like you're bobbing the head forward a little bit each time before gently resting it back to the mat. And set it back down, releasing the knee. We'll simply flip over onto our stomachs now for crocodile pose. So you could repeat yesterday's pose with the arms crossed and the forehead resting on the forearms. Or you might like to stack one fist on top of the other and place the forehead on top. So a little bit of a deeper crocodile pose here. This is just encouraging the head a little bit further backwards. This is a nice counter stretch for the many of us who spend so much time at computers or hunched over our phones or other screens. So just notice the sensation this may bring up in the back of the neck here. And let's release, pressing our way back up to seated. Any way you'd like here, rolling the shoulders back. Shake the neck out just a little bit. Notice how it's feeling, whether anything may have changed in these few minutes together. And closing the eyes for a few final deep breaths together. Bring the hands together in front of the heart. And thank you so much for joining me. Well done today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 4, where we'll be working on our shoulders. And until then, have a great day. Namaste.